Well, hello. This is Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we are here to talk about the second week of the leadership strategies of Jesus Christ. During this month, we'll be taking a look at 20 leadership strategies that Jesus demonstrated. Last week, we used an acronym, the word SHELL, and that stood for servant leadership, humility, excellent communications, leading by example, and loving. And this week, we have a bit of an outrageous acronym. It is UTI. But before we go any further, I'm going to ask you to please, if you like my content, hit the thumbs up or the heart to like and to subscribe. And of course, to please share. After all, there are people who you know, who I don't know, and who don't know me, and this content will benefit them. Now, let us move ahead and speak about UTI. Now, in some professions, UTI can be perfectly normal. For instance, if you're in the medical profession, and it means something a little bit different if you're in law enforcement. But with me, it means that you undertake to inspire. Undertake to inspire. That's what UTI means for me for leadership. And there are three words that accompany undertaking to inspire, not expired, inspire. The first one is unity. When we have a team, we have to make sure that everyone is working together. Of course, whenever there's a group of people working together, there are the normal conflicts. We rub against each other, we rub each other the wrong way, someone has a bad day, life gets a little difficult and a little crazy. However, as the leader, you were called to be the peacemaker. Unless you are the peacemaker on your team will not function as well as it could. So we build cohesive teams by making sure that everyone just gets along. Now, the T stands for team building. And team building speaks about making sure that we have all of the necessary skills on our team to accomplish the mission of our team or our organization. You're going to need some outgoing and gregarious types that will draw people in or compel people to buy or consider your offer. You're also going to need the people who are very detailed or detail oriented so that they can keep track of things. You're going to need the people who are service oriented, who just want to help and do whatever needs to be done to make the team move along. That is really what team building is all about, ensuring that you have all the necessary skills on your team to accomplish, again, the team mission. And it can't be only the people that you like or the people who you feel the most. You need everyone. I, as an outgoing person, need those detail people. Detail people, frankly, make me a little crazy. However, I know that if I'm going to successfully accomplish anything, details must be taken into consideration. And as a leader, if you're the detail person, you need the outgoing people. So all of those things need to be considered. The next thing, the I, stands for inclusivity. You really do need people of different ethnicities, people of different age groups, people of different mindsets, perhaps even political viewpoints. You need all of those people on your team because you need a full 360-degree perspective of the service or the product that you're providing. And that's how you get that perspective. So don't only include people who are just like you. As a matter of fact, when you do that, you tend to make errors and you may very well even offend some potential good customers. So it's important that you have that inclusivity on your team. Now, undertaking to inspire means that we have a unified team, that we have a team with multi skill sets that are available for the furtherance of the team mission. And thirdly, that we include people, even people who are different, who we may not like that much, whose ways we don't really understand, people whose cultures are different, people whose backgrounds are different. All of those things make for a cohesive team, and that was a prime strategy that Jesus used. Once again, if you like the content, please do hit the thumbs up or the heart to like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And by all means, please do share. Share with people who may not have been exposed to my teaching before, to people who don't know me. I would really appreciate it. And I wish you a wonderful balance of the week.